Hello, I'm Kultapisku and this is Blueprints, and it's day 79. And guess what? I've been reading to the exam and I've been doing some translating, though I feel like I don't know enough Erayan words to be like fully translate the uh, Clara's text, but I have made some progress of it. I don't know if I'm gonna share it this time because I don't quite make any sense of that, but I think I might try to retake the classroom final exam if I can, because I think I have read really well. So I went back and reread the history of Orindia and also like just went through some other stuff that I was unsure on the exam, and now I feel like I should know answers to all the questions if the questions are gonna be the same than the last time. And of course, we don't get the schoolhouse and neither the trading post because, like, if I didn't get the schoolhouse, I wanted to try to explode that dynamite, but you know, you cannot always get what you want. So let's take no. I'm not gonna take that. I'm gonna take this. I don't think today's the day to try to buy out the showroom, so I'm just gonna put all my money in here and see what I get. Oh, okay, you have received the blessing of the general. After you draft a red room, if you have at least 5 different ranks containing red rooms, gain 5 gems. Look at that picture. Blessing of the general. Interesting. Sorry, Box, I'm not touching you at the moment. I might try. Is the music different somehow? I feel like the music is a bit different. Oh, yeah, but I'm not sure if I'm really happy about this blessing. So I need to be drafting a lot of red rooms. Oh, I don't know if I like that. Like, if I get shelter someday, maybe then. But what am I gonna do now? I guess I'm just start some fast building. If I run to something interesting that I have seen rarely, then I might take a look at it. The black box is not empty. The statement on the black box is true. Box with the false statement contains the gems. If these are true, then the gems would be in here. If this is false, then black box is also false. Box with true statement contains the gems. So in that case, they would be in here. So they would be here anyway? Or did I... Okay, I didn't mess anything up, so that's good. Tomb... let's take some experimental house features. Experiment setup. We could make an aquarium house. Set your dice to 2. Like, I can add some aquariums, I guess, because I get more stars from aquariums, and I'm really wanting to reach 50 stars, because then new constellation is gonna appear. Dice would be also nice. I don't know if I really want any gold. Well, I just spent all my gold. Let's say if we eat apple, we set our dice to 2. Doesn't seem very likely to happen, but that should be okay. Let's make chapel. Hello, piggy. I'm not gonna poke you open just yet. Ooh, nursery, that's great. For the steps. But yeah, as I've been reading to the classroom exam, I also, at the same time, I was of course thinking about a lot of other things, and I was thinking especially about the other realms. And I was looking at the maps, and I was reading the Orindia history book, and I felt like I might know more than I realized about those realms. So I might wanna even go to the inner sanctum and see if I can solve any of those sigils. Because I think I was listing like what could be the combinations, like based on the geography and based off some history books. So I might be able to solve it, and that would be really great. I think we wanna get forward in here. We're not really in need of any contraption at the moment, so might as well take the gem. Oh, I forgot about the experiment. Okay, well, I got 2 dice, but now I need to remember, like, if I eat some apples. PCB, drafting, new clue, cross off. Let's take Sightseer's Guide to Reddington. I could try to understand a bit more history of this place. I like listened to the episode. I was where I was. Oh, okay. Let's remember that the apple is in here. But actually, I wanted to take a look at this because this map shows some routes from realms to each other. So I was like wondering if this could tell me if any of the realms uh, really likes the like sea travel. Costa Rica is such a big country. Like, I was wondering about the weather. Morache, right here, it's quite in the north, so the weather there might be like snowy. In the History of Orindia book, it said that Arc areas' weather is stormy, and Eraya is quite south, so that could be like heat. But I think Verra had weather as heat. But like, I suppose it could be also maybe rainy or windy. But I think like, I don't remember the weather of, what was it, Verra? Was it like windy? It could be like windy or rainy because it's like kind of like a island. Foggy. Pen areas or in the areas is foggy. What does normal even mean? Maybe Costa Rica is normal because it is such a big, like, it goes from north to south. Yeah, that's what I basically was thinking. Oh, that is actually, wait, what is that? Yeah, Verra. Oh no. All right, Verra was the turtleback travel, but Nuance is the one that is like close to fen areas. And I was wondering, uh, some of the realms give that pen areas dirigible, so the flying thing. I wasn't sure what the word meant when I was doing the exam, but now I know. So I think because Nuance and Arc areas was allied with pen areas during the Civil War, maybe Nuance gave dirigible defend areas. Other realm that I think it might have dirigibles might be Costa Rica because it's such a huge country. Maybe they used air travel to travel a bit faster, maybe. But also, like Nuance could have like sea travel because it's not like very close to any of the other realms, so they might need to go everywhere by boat. So that kind of things I've been thinking about lately. So we're gonna left the apple in there. Mm, because we wanna save our dice. Or like, we wanna use our dice and pick up the apple when one trunk. Oh, interesting. Yeah, we wanna pick up the apple when we have no dice left, so we can get more. So we shouldn't be shy using them. But the observatory, one that I really like. Oh, let's see. Here we got another. Costa Rica also has like a lot of like sea travel routes. That is Morache. That is. Oh, wait. That is Sverra. Sverra doesn't have that many like sea routes, but are all of the islands. Oh no, Verra I already solved. So how does Nuance look. Okay, so this is nuance, right? And here is like Arc Aries, Fen Aries, and Eraya. So this might be sea trouble, I think. Okay. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna go to the inner sanctum and test if I have reasoned this well. Ooh, diamonds. We got an apple. Oh, that's also good. Because we saved the apple and we got slice. So we got steps. We have already 41 stars, so not that far away from the 50 stars. Drawing room. Fire. Audience. These busts are bothering me really, really much. I don't think I want to see them again. They are so annoying. Oh, which way do I want to go? Let's go forward. Okay, we can redraw if we want to. Let's do that. The Great Hall. I think courtyard would be great. We got two of these flowers. That's great. No shovel? Nope. Can we build in here? Oh, okay. We got one. No, I'm gonna make Nook. Let's take the key so we can open more doors. I kind of feel like I should be taking a look at the let's redraw. I don't know if I like wanna get to the antechamber. Just gonna make Podar. But the thing that is bothering me is that I've been able to, or this is the good thing, that I've been able to find the keys for Inner Sanctum, but I haven't been able to really crack any more of those saves. It just feels like I cannot, for the life of me, uh, figure out. Alright. Figure out the save codes, like the picture puzzle with letters is like 8 dates, crack 8 saves. I've been trying to write down some dates, but none of those has worked. Should I just take this now? I'm gonna leave it. I might be coming back in here. There's a room from where I can craft. Commissary. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna go all the way back. Let's build to the lower ranks. Planetarium. Should I take it? I think I should. I kind of want to call it a day in here. These are just the same. New constellation. What was I saying again? Yeah, I was thinking that I should take a look at the new clue dead case rooms. Not yet, because I feel like there might be some kind of clue in those as well as in corner case rooms. Just now don't know what that is. Break room. Let's take the keys. And also we're getting a bit closer to the trophy. What's up with this? 1/3 of 15, maybe? Yeah, okay. Damn. So we got 20. Oh no. Should I first do -20? No. Or should I like take 1/3 of 20? But that's not even. Or like. Oh, what is that even? Seven? So is it like 13? Is this 10? It is! Okay, so I need to just round it up or down. Okay, so 6. No, 7. Huh? 7 divided by 3. That's 2? No. What was this? I already forgot. 20. 13. 10. 20. Third. 1/3 of 20. Oh, it's times. It's 21. Wait. Or is it like 3 times 6? 18? No. Okay, 5, 10. Oh yeah, it's just 20 because 1/3 of 20 times 3 is 20. Okay. Oh, I wanted to have 2 regular keys. This kind of seemed like blue. If that is Nuan nuances. I'm gonna. Do we have even blue? We don't have blue. Blue sigil. That's interesting. Guess it's time to get some more rare rooms. This is dead end room. But this is handwritten. Where is my new clue? Stuff. New clue. Have I written down the... No, I haven't. I have a screenshot probably of the dead case rooms, but is there like anything that stands out? Dead end. A veranda. We got no item. Oh, we got item. Almost missed that. Right, let's take a pool. Should we just like get ready? Oh, I'm so used to having having the sledgehammer. But yeah, I kind of feel like I should be get ready for the just next day. So maybe I try to get some tomorrow rooms. Oh, okay, I don't wanna open that with my only key. Oh, where is something beeping? Oh, here we go. Kitchen. Let's say gift shop just because it gives us more doors. I'm starting to feel like these are gonna get locked. Here first. Wanna use my special key in here. Oh, I haven't really been trying to do the red thing. Let's make archives. Yeah, we cannot open that. We're just gonna get stuck soon. Oh, now I'm really interested of this because I know that my mom did this. Priceless jewels stolen in dramatic royal museum heist. Thieves in the royal capital, Fen Aries, have broken into one of the crown's fabled closed exhibits. These lavish rooms have historically been reserved exclusively for the use of the aristocracy and high peerage, and access has never been granted to those outside noble circles, at least not until today, as local police and forensic experts. Yeah, let me just skim this through. Breaching the south wall. Subdued the royal guard. Ruby crown of Orinda Aries. Yeah. My mom was really mixed up in some politics. Let's make archived floor plan. Oh, mail room. Well, that works well for me. No new letters. No items. Can we open this? No. Okay, so I think we're officially stuck in here. I think I'm gonna go. I got a lot of steps, so I'm just gonna. Huh? Oh. Just gonna go. Am I banking my money? Too bad I didn't get like the. Let's eat that. It would have been great if I got the freezer. What is this beeping for? Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna bank my money. I hope this really works this way, otherwise I look really stupid. Okay. Also in the exam there was this question about what is like least patriotic like room for each realm. So that might give us some hints. I think it's arc areas with shops or Korariga with greenhouses. I feel like because arc areas is like in the north. It was said in the history of Orindia that had this always been broken, by the way? Is the one that is the person that is lurking somewhere in here and watching us, like breaking stuff? But yeah, like it was said that arc areas is like rough land, and I think they might not be. They might be like agricultural. Oh no wait, it's in the. It was stormy. It might not be a good place for agriculture. But uh the option in the exam was like shops with arc areas. It doesn't seem likely, I don't think. Hororica could have greenhouses, maybe, but I don't know. Okay. Let's leave that be, and now I'm gonna try to see what I have pieced out together. So, it was mentioned in the history of Orindia that Eraya is poetic, spiritual, mystic with magic. So I think because we saw. Oh, am I using this? Yeah, because we saw the symbol in Clock Tower with poetic sigil. That might be part of this one. I think Eraya is poetic, so. Yeah, okay, is that right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. And in the history book, it was always also said that the train tracks were built all over from arc areas to Eraya, but the railways. Oh my god, no! This is the is the weather. I want to find the railways. Yeah, the railways were destroyed in our realm. Was this the train? But so the trains should have stayed in Eraya and Ark areas, if I am not mistaken. And we have seen many times that Lady Epson has something to do with Eraya, and the color associated with Clara Epson and Eraya seems to be purple. So is this the purple? Yes, purple or violet. So now we just need to, I don't know, the weather. I guess it could be heat. So either it could be this one. No. Snow is not likely because it's in south. I guess it could be windy, but maybe that's more for like the... Wait. Which do I wanna move this? Could be normal. No. Not foggy, because we are foggy. Rainy could work. No. Oh, wait. Did I change the... This is violet. When did I change that? Oh! Oh my god. So Eraya is poetic, rainy, purple, and locomotion. Oh my god. Okay, let's see this. Oh my god, that looks like a dreamland. So purple in here. Okay, let's see the postcard. I was a little disappointed that there has not been a drop of rain during my time here, as every Erayan story I have ever heard has begun with rain. I suppose the anecdotes I make on this trip will have to do without that flavorful setting. However, even without the rain, the puddles and ponds that dot the countryside make this place feel different than home. Loria Jenna, Ailor Lune. Oh, that is Erayan language. Oh, let me just Eraya postcard, and then now I've saved that, and now I wanna see the Erayan vocabulary and affixes. So yeah, ya and I are prefixes and suffixes. So I is first, lar is word. First word, lune, water. Hello, water. Word. Last word. Goodbye. Ah, goodbye. What is Jenna? I don't know the word for Jenna. Ilar. Hello. Hello, water. So he's saying hello, water, because he has come to Eraya where it's supposed to rain, even though it hasn't rained. But he's saying goodbye to something, and that should be... could kind of feel like... In the first postcard, I think it was said that he's heading south, and my suspicion is that the first place was Eraya, where he went. So could Jenna be maybe fog? because if he has come to the area from Pen Aries. Do we have anything else in here? No. Okay, let's leave that be and see this. I'm also gonna see if there's anything in here. No. Morache box, the Eraya variation. Puzzle box of Morache spread to Eraya not through port towns as they had in other realms, but by train routes from the north. The violet tiles were introduced, they were created as a simple reflection of the variation first introduced by Arc areas some years earlier. When violet tiles are pressed, they move south, so downwards. So how are we gonna get this up there? Okay. So red turns black red. We know that from the last one. And green changes the place. Oh, I wanna. And black shuffles. What happens if nothing happens if green is in the middle? Let me reset. We want this to drop. And then we can like change the places of these. These cannot drop because they are already down. I don't understand what yellow does. Do we know what is yellow? Arc areas is yellow, so if we would solve the arc areas sigil, we would get the explanation what these do. Yeah, I don't know. I kind of feel like I need to solve the arc areas to learn about the yellow ones. Oh! Yellow is arc areas color, so actually shops might be associated to arc areas. So is the chapel not associated with... Or is Kororika not with greenhouse? What is this? This is Kororika. What do I know about Kororika, or what can I deduce about Kororika? I have written down... Yeah, from the classroom puzzle, I know that orange is Kororika's color. Oh, so the greenhouse is not associated with Kororika then? Hallways. Why would hallways be associated with Kororika? And what is orange's symbol? Or like this. Yeah, this is orange. Okay. Okay, so then I have written down that they might be academic, because we know that they have a university in Costa Rica. So we need 3 lines. Yeah, this is academic. I would guess the weather is normal, because it's such a vast land. Should we try the... Oh no, wait. Oh, okay, I need to go. What's this? This was orange. Wait. What am I changing? Oh, okay. What? What am I... I'm messing this up so bad. Okay, this is the... Now we are in the... What? Why does this change the color and the... Oh no, this is like harder. Oh my gosh. Stuck with the... Why is this like this? Okay, let's go with that. Then we will try the aviation, I suppose. Because the land is very, very vast, so... No, okay. Ships, roads, horseback. Oh, horseback. No, wait. Camels, back mules, arid or desert trails. Not that. Not turtleback travel. I think it's either ship, road, or horseback. That is turtleback. That is ship. Not ships. How about roads? Of course, if the weather is not normal, then this is a bit pointless, but let's try horseback as well. No, okay, so the weather is not normal. I don't want to brute force that much more. I wanna check this one. Let's see. Okay, so turtleback travel, heat makes sense. And spiritual. That's interesting. And in here we have nuance. I have opened really bad ones because I think I might be able to solve arc areas, but I'm not very sure if I can solve nuance. Industrial. Dirigibles. Okay, so nuance was the one that's close to fen areas and was allied with it. For some reason, I think they might be industrial, because I have seen their symbols on different, like, different industrial thingies, like those stereos and so on. And it seems like they are kind of like smaller landmass, so maybe they have windy weather, I think. And I'm gonna try the dirigibles in here because they were light, so I think they might. Yeah, windy and dirigibles would go well, I suppose. But what is the color of nuance? We have used black, red, violet. Have we used pink? We haven't used green. We have used yellow, orange, so it should be... I think it should be either white, green. It could be green. But yeah, doesn't make sense. No, not black. I think it could be white. No. Yellow was Arc Aries' color, so not that one. Have we used pink? Okay, I don't know enough about nuance. What was the color of... Wait, not this. What was the color of this? It was pink. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna spend more time in here trying to guess those. I need to collect some more clues about those societies and try to solve sigils after that. I think in the left there are the like Orindia realms, so I think the last door in there will be Arc Areas, so I probably wanna open that one. I think I would like to also open the Morache one. I think it might be a bit easier to crack than the other ones. I think I kinda can deduce more about it, or at least the weather is clear to me. I think that's gonna be snowy in there. Okay, but let's call it a day in here, so we get 2 stars. And tomorrow, I think I'm gonna try to get... Well, I already told my plan at the beginning of the episode, so tomorrow I wanna get the classroom or trade room. So either way, we are acing the exam or we are blowing the place apart. Or we could just take shelter if we don't draw any of those and try to get some value out of our blessing. Alright. I'm just wondering, like, where could I find more info about those other realms? What am I missing? Oh, come on. Well, let's make shelter and let's try to do the... Oh, and also, let's see. What email we have in here. Oh my god, this is gonna be interesting. Let's start from the oldest one. Hmm. Yes, and don't worry, this communication method is fully secure. I am the only lab technician with network access and the only one who uses this terminal. I'm working to get you some more supplies, but I'm not focusing on essentials, as I believe there's enough food in the shelter to last for the duration. Though I think it'd be wise if you can do a quick inventory to confirm that. Okay. Armor. To armor the situation. In terms of area, there's not nearly as much room here as I remembered from my youth. If it was just me, I wouldn't mind, but with 4 of us and the space we are going to need for planning, I don't expect this to be a sustainable situation for more than a week, a fortnight at best. So, have they been in here planning before they moved to the underground cave before the heist in the Royal Museum? I passed the message on, and your uncle says he may have an idea for a more long-term solution, but it's going to require some doing. I'm not sure exactly what he has in mind, but this morning when I looked at today's blueprints, I saw he had drafted the pump room, a floor plan I haven't seen used in a very, very long time. I have a feeling you all may be taking a boat ride shortly. Okay, it's actually nice that I mm, solved the boat thing before I read this. It was so satisfying to get that right. But now we know the story. They were here before. They were in the cavern. It's finally happening. We just got confirmation from our source that the Red Guard is coming tomorrow to begin their formal inquiry into disappearance. At this point, it's going to be too risky to move you until next week at the earliest. Just hang tight for now. R. Okay, we got some more of the story. This is This is really interesting. The story is getting very, very interesting. There have been 4 people in here. I thought there were only 3 people working for the heist, but there was actually 4? Hmm. Don't know what to think of that. Who could be the 4th one? Okay, let's try to do the red room thing. What items are we getting? Yes. I think we're taking it all. It's so nice to be able to buy all the stuff. Look at this. Aren't those nuance symbols? Or is it just coincidence? I'm getting laboratory so early. Okay. Keys, dirt. Okay, not very. Let's take bedroom approach and let's take some random resources. Not happy using my gems already, but I guess I'm gonna get more. One key. Okay. Keycard system. Oh, low. Oh, I could have also called it a day in the what is it, billiard room, and then I would have key card. But well, I guess now we have a couple more stars, so we are a bit closer to our goal. Well, let's start off with dark room. We gotta. Alright, we're sheltered in here. Anything else in here? I don't think so. Let's take the keys, and I think then we should go back. Wait, let's see this. Third time. Let me. I wanna see the. If I had picture of the dead case rooms. Suspect list and see nuclear dead cases. Lavatory, closet, attic, furnace, solarium. Okay. I'm gonna keep that handy. Attic, furnace. Oh, here we got the furnace, but we were supposed to get these to different ranks, so I'm not gonna make that, but I might be making it a bit later. Oh, we need to go in here. Ooh, okay. Let's take the storeroom. Closet. Closet is one of the dead case rooms. Gonna make the chapel. Alright, we're sheltered. Ooh, okay, here are the gems. But we could also get an observatory. I wanna have the observatory. The prices in here are so good at the moment. Yes, that's good. Okay, apples and key. Diamonds, miner, slice, and then we got chest. 2 chests. Nice. Did I get the sledgehammer? No. That's too bad. Closet was one of the dead case rooms. Oh, and I got the sledgehammer. But there's nothing that I can read in here, so is this actually just like dead case? I don't think so. Maybe I need to make those dead case rooms or like dead end rooms. Oh my gosh, this is looking very bad. I think I need to redraw. Okay. Let's make den. Here we get the nursery, but let's take the risk. We can get to the foundation, but it's okay if these days are short, because now I'm just wanting to get the correct outer room. Well, I guess this is it. It was one of these. Solarium was in the dead case list. So here we have this, but there's like nothing that stands out. I don't think so. Well, I'm gonna go and track the one last room, because might get the tomorrow room, and also wanna see what's in here. Maybe I got the key card and no, I don't get it. Okay, let's get a tomorrow room or not. Let's actually take a look at the book. Real Sightseer's Guide to Reddington. Lord Evison. Okay. Site of its former capital. Yeah, this is what I got wrong. Third largest city, so 2 more big cities or bigger cities. Mountains, mystery, magic. Botanical gardens. Lord William Epson. Trinsdale Lake. Mount Holly. Mainway Station Bazaar. Okay, so Featherwall Keep. Yeah, there's nothing more about that. Okay. Calling it a day. And now I gotta get the other room I want. Right, I want 2 different outer rooms. I gotta get one of them. I haven't gotten one of them for 2 days. Okay, let's go. How many coins do we have in there? I emptied one day, but like... After that, I've been... Okay, let's go. Time to ace the exam. I'm just gonna need to gather a lot of gems because classrooms are expensive. Okay, here we got our first gem. And oh my god. Please let it be easy. I need to solve this. I need these gems. Let's see. No! 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 Okay. Let's relax. Let's see. Gems are in the box with the longest word. Longest is the longest word on a box. Gems are in a box with shortest word. A is the shortest word on a box. Isn't shortest? Shortest is longer than longest. So this is lie. The bottom one is lie, so the whole box is like lie. There are words on the box with the gems. This box does not contain the gems. Well, the upper one is true. A. A. I think they're in here. Please let me be right. Oh my god. I don't want to think about it. Get me out of there. Give me like Glossat. Oh, the first classroom. I'm gonna take library. It gives us more redraws. Okay, storeroom. Observatory might be good as well because we might get Diamantus Major in there. Or even Diamantus Minor could help us. Do I want to order some book? I guess I'm just ordering new clue, so I will have it handy when I need it. I don't want to spend my gems on veranda. Yeah, Coral Rica is absolutely orange. Academic. Do we have any clue in here? What is the travel system and weather in Coral Rica like? Guess we take corridor. I'm not very happy about the resources that I have at the moment. Do we think we're gonna get the gems if we take this, please? Oh no, no gems. Sledgehammer. Salt shaker. Compass. Yeah, let's take it all. Okay. I'm gonna go in this way first. Yeah, time for our first classroom. Grade 1. I think I wanna go in here first. Yes, we are taking another classroom. I wonder if there's like anything more to the tunnels. And is there anything in the in this classroom that I need to take note of? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division should be easy enough. Let's use our ray draws. Would be great to get something that gives us more diamonds. Should I take the observatory? Let's take it, and let's hope that we get more gems. Because this is not looking very well at the moment. Dead ends. Okay, we got Diamantus Major. We got also Dead Ends. So that's not very promising. But we also got like 4 corner rooms. Ooh, and we get some chest or trunks to the main hall. Okay, yeah, this was good. This was really good. And we got the code check. Yeah, I'm not happy with our key situation. I'm gonna take my Master key. Okay. So I have made 2 classrooms. I'm gonna need 9. So I need 1 more diamond to get them all. And maybe even more. Because I might need to make some other... Okay, nice. Now we got enough keys for all the classrooms. Oh, no, not keys, gems. Okay, this is very, very good. Feeling much better now. Let's take a look. Not this one. Kurarika. Arch areas. Colors. Grade 1. What is the perfect form of ape? That's something that I haven't been able to figure out. Well, isn't Great Hall just great when we have the master key? More keys. Here we can go to the... Not in here. Okay, let's open these first. Or this. Oh, nice, nice. So that should be empty. Where do I wanna go first? I think in here? I guess we take this. Might be useful. Wait, where was the antechamber? Lever. Like, should I... Oh, here we go. This time I will not get stuck. Right. Now we go here. Another... Ooh, attic. Do I need... I don't think I need the items. I'm just gonna be crafting classrooms. Right? Okay, so... I have took a look at the periodic table, so I know what is not in there. I'm just like baffled that there's like not the names of the elements anywhere. Fluorine. Oh, F is fluorine. U, uranium, and nitrogen. Nothing in here. Okay. Should I be just... I guess I should be just redrawing for the classrooms at this point. Okay, this is the important one. So I took a look at this. Wait, can I cannot log in this. But yeah, it was like someone drew to the north 3 hours and then northwest and get to the Trinsdale Lake that is in Reddington, so they live in Oris. And I think the flags should be red because Fenarius's flag color is red nowadays. Let's see, Costa Rica. Oh, look at that! Symbol 8 or infinity is there. So here we got Eraya, Nuance, Verra, and Costa Rica. So this is like South Pole. And there's infinite symbol in the South Pole. The North Circle. There's nothing in North really. Moraven. Costa Rica. How does the Costa Rica look like? What do we have in Costa Rica? Oh, there's a ship in Morache. So I think they use ships. Does it look snowy in there? I'm not sure if I can tell. There's mountains in Costa Rica. Spiral of stars. What is this? This is cryptic. Don't know what that means. Oh, Mora is the name of our planet. Okay, that's good. Because when I was trying to translate Clara Abson's text, or the text in Clara Abson's grave, in the first row, it said something day, something night, and something Mora, if I remember correctly. Okay, I'm gonna mark that down. Mora Veija, Fen Mora, Dauja. Maybe those are gonna be important, like maybe there's like some other words also that are in here. Insei, Eraya. Nuance. This is really, really interesting. I'm gonna screenshot these as well. I think this might be important. So this is Orindia. It's per third era. Ah, okay, yeah, so that makes sense. Then I'm gonna third era. Moraven. Yeah, this might be important at some point. Alright. Let's get the next classroom. Here we go. So this is the art classroom, and there should not be any jungle picture in here because That was the question. Yeah. Are we gonna need more steps? Maybe not. Give me the next classroom. Here we go. Okay. No, it was hard to see. Okay, I wanna take a closer look of these pictures. Yeah, that is the battle. Let me also eat that apple. Yeah, that's true. The red has won. And there's the new king. And then they're taking down the railways in the 6th era. Why would they do that? Okay, the blimp is green. Okay, that's interesting. We don't know which of the realms is denoted by green. Oh, sorry, let me take a look. We know Verra, it's pink. We know Erea is purple. Nuance, we don't know. So if it was Nuance that gifted it, it might be green. Orinda Ares is black. Korarika, I think, is orange. Arc Ares is yellow. Morache is... we don't know Morache. Actually, is it white? Because it's in north. And there's snow. Then Ares. Okay, so it would left that Nuance is green, so maybe Nuance gave it to us. That's it. History is penned by the victors. The truth is that A3 draws. Here we go. Grade 7. We don't have the depiction of number 8 in there. Do we have any explanation of it anywhere in this classroom? There's really not much more than this. Okay. That's okay. Here we go. Oh. Ulugo, Nevdo, New Day. Ulugo, you go. Tyler. Hello. Oh, the music just stopped. Okay. Am I actually ready for this? No! I thought I was redrawing. Oh my god. What a mistake. Lost all my steps, but I guess I don't need them. I just need to get the last room now, and I'm a bit afraid that that maybe if I don't get it. Oh, that really scared me. Oh, it's open. Oh. So I guess we make the passageway to get more rooms. Let's go back in here first. Oh, okay. That's not good. Let's take the items. Oh my god, I can't believe I messed that up so bad. I was gonna redraw until I get it, but then I just pushed the wrong button. What the actual F is this? Well, at least we're getting more steps. Maybe I wanna save that just to see if I get the aquarium. Oh my god, I'm not ever gonna get the classroom now. Oh, I can't believe I messed that up so bad. Kind of feel like I need to take the dice because I might need to do some redraws. I'm not gonna get the aquarium probably, so I'm just gonna eat this. And I'm not gonna need that many steps anyways. Probably. Oh my gosh. Come on. Give me the classroom. And then I get the aquarium. That's so funny. Well, let's take it. Nail. I don't know what does it like actually do if we empty the aquarium. Should I try it at some point? Again? Like I did it once, but then it was just like... Okay, oh my god. Here we go. I'm a bit afraid of the Erayan questions. And the question is also if the exam is gonna be same or not, because if it's different exam then I might be screwed. But let me take out my notes. I have made notes if the questions are same. And I'm gonna take out my Orion vocabulary. And is that gonna be all that I need? I think that is. Okay. Wish me luck, I guess. Here we go. Okay. North past 8 blocks turned northwest tunnel fork 3 hours. Okay, so they are red. Okay. It was in orange, right? Yes. Hallways are orange. Okay, this is... I'm not very quite sure about this. I think shop might be associated with... This is good. It's not D. I'm gonna leave that to be and answer the other questions first. So this I got wrong last time. So banana gives us 3 steps and that's yellow. Okay, I'm gonna just use calculator in here. I don't wanna mess this up. 5 minus 5 times 2 is 0. Then we got 5 times 2, that's 10. Plus 2, 12. Times 2, 24. 5 minus 2 is 3. Times 5 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Minus 5 it's 11. Here we go. Solve the following problem. So was this like 10 times 4, right? Divided by 5 minus 4. So it's 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Times 2 is minus 6. Plus 7, that's 1. Okay, 3 minus 4 is minus 1. Times 8, it's minus 8. Divided by 2 minus 4 plus 5, it's 1. Okay. So... Wait, actually... It was in the classroom that it's chlorine. Right? I'm gonna maybe check that once more. Okay, this I already checked. This isn't in the periodic table. Oh, I'm not quite sure about this. I think it's silver, but I'm not sure. Uranium, chlorine. I'm not quite sure about this as well. Maybe radon? Two. 10 is south of Morning Bay. 2 cities are larger. Costa Rica is not near. Arc areas is the mountain symbol. Fen areas is directly north of Eracha. We are in Mount Holly, Reddington, Fen areas. Okay, this was BL and AL. We don't have Chang'o. Realize. Orinda, Orindia. This I need to check from my memos. 28. General Teskin is the first crowned ruler. 6th era after the war. War of 5th era, 22 years. Reddington is the first. Oh my gosh, so... Should we go with nuance? I guess we go with nuance. We're not sure about that. This was Colossus Orinda because it was in southern shores, and I checked that Colossus Orinda is in south. Okay. Okay. Let's not mess this up this time. So 6 squared is 36. But here we reverse the order of the numbers. Here we got 3 square or minus 3 squared, I guess, but that's just 9. Minus 3, that's 6. Okay, here we got 11. Wait, 11 divided by 3 and rounded up, rounded to ones. Okay, here we go. 4 squared, 16 plus 5 times 2 minus 1 is 41, so it's actually 14. Here we got 5 minus 2. No, not minus. 5 divided by 2 times 3, 7.5 rounded to 10, so it's 10. 10 minus 1 times 6 plus 100, 154 rounded to 100, so 200. Okay. Aryan word for house is hue. New gate is new gate. Oh, these were actually... Did I actually... Like, I was checking these through, but I don't think I made any memos of these. So, tre ven le, tre is 3. Ven is old or end of 3. And le is like lack of myself, or I won't, or I can't, or I don't have. So basically, I don't have all 3, that could be it. I cannot see 3 trunk. I think that was actually the problem, because 3 trunk of 3 is new tray. So start of 3. So trunk is start of 3. But we have when end of 3, so that's 3 prance, so it shouldn't be C because it's not 3 trunk. How would you say the following phrase in Arayan? You have a very, very long name. When I was looking at this, I think it was this. Your is name, is large. Ul is you have, or yeah, I think it's this. Count me out. Count away. I think it's this. Oh my god. I think C is the most like first north, east, toward 3 is yeah. Is yeah. South, last, away from 3. Water. I'm gonna mark that down. I'm not sure if that's correct. Ancient or India, the number 8 was considered by Acharyans and scholars to be mathematically near perfect. Though many in the secular sphere held that only this advanced form of 8 was worthy of numerical perfection. I don't know. Now I just need to basically guess. So is it like 8 times 8 times 8? Could it be 512? Or 8 squared? So that would be 100. Then we have 8 rounded to 10, so that would be also 100. Maybe not C or B then. We could have 8 squared. 40. I think I'm gonna answer D. Okay, what did I not answer? That one. Did I? Where is the? I think it said that C is chlorine. I'm gonna go and check that out. Oh my god, it's such a long way. Great tree. No, fluorine is F. Or, yeah, we didn't have C in here. Oh no, I think oh my god, I might have messed up. For some reason I thought that we had like that C was chlorine. So I was like, okay, then the carbon is not C, but actually I think carbon is C because that's like what I remember from... Oh no, I went to the wrong place. Remember from the... oh my god, I might have failed the chemistry too bad. I don't know if I'm gonna pass this. This is so disappointing. Oh, no, I didn't. Yeah, I think chlorine is Cl and C is carbon. And do I think that... I think Ag is silver. I kind of feel like I remember that from chemistry. Okay, then this one. So if we think that green is associated with that other one, then greenhouse shouldn't be associated with Kororiga because I think this is about the colors of the rooms, so here we go. I hope I got enough of the questions right. So, I will get the results tomorrow. What will I do in the meanwhile? It's so quiet suddenly. I'm just gonna use the rest of my resources and build in here. And then we're gonna see if I aced the exam as the achievement says. Ooh, I just wanna see the results. I think I should just freeze my account, right? That's like perfect, like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Here we go, the freezer is here. I think this is the letter that tells like the codes for the saves are not like random. So, but yeah, I kinda wanna read that once again. But yeah, do we have any... Oh, okay, code check. We gotta go back to the code check if we can. Because we wanna turn in our master key. How do we get in there? From here? Yes. Does it even matter if I use my telescope to... Oh, I didn't realize I had the cell. But yeah, it doesn't matter because like my account is already freezed, so I don't get the gems. So let's just check in our master key. And we don't have break room, we don't have observatory. Oh my god. Please. I hope I got enough questions right. Academic campus. I gotta say, I think I should be wrapping up this episode, but I need to know the results. So maybe we just see the results and do I see a trophy in there? I think I do. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh. Oh my god, this is huge. Okay, I got history. I think there is like six history. No. Six history questions. Oh, I got something in Iran wrong. Interesting. But aced everything else. I got A. And here I got my trophy. You've been awarded the diploma trophy for getting an A on the classroom final exam. Yay! That's so great. So now we got 5 trophies. We need 3 more to be able uh, to unlock the blue tents from the gift shop. Whatever that means. Okay, I'm gonna, since I already started this day, I'm just gonna make this a really quick day, I suppose, or not. Okay, here we go. Let's blow up the dynamite. I'm thinking either battery pack or the burning glass. So for burning glass we need magnifying glass and metal detector, I think. Aced my exam. Okay. Well, let's take the workshop right at the beginning. And I guess we take the commissary so we can hopefully buy. Okay, well, we got the magnifying glass, that's great. I guess we're just getting the gems. Always good to have some gems. No sledgehammer. Yeah, let's take some more steps. I'm always trying to scan the room if there's like something that I have missed and something that would tell me a bit more about the realms. So if the wait, sorry, let me take a look at my notes. What is orange? Was it Coral Rica is orange, so they're associated with hallways. Could that give us a tip? Oh my. Uh, could it give us a tip of what kind of infrastructure there is? Okay, let's take the items. I don't think there's gonna be a metal detector in this room though. Wait, wasn't that only 3 items? Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, I feel like this place only has like some like fancy items. If you know what I mean. I think we're gonna need some green rooms. I feel like the metal detector can be found from there. Pantry. I'm not sure if those rare rooms are really good for me. courtyard. Let's make chapel. It lets us to get to the two different ways, or 1, 2, 3 different ways because of the access to the foundation. Oh, okay, here we go. Key, that's very nice. Coins, that's cool. And one more coin. Nice, nice. Kind of starting to feel like the dice would be really great. I don't want to lose my magnifying glass in lost and found. So I guess I could get the metal detector. Ooh, drawing room. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's build in here first. Observatory. I want to have the observatory. Oh no, Traxus. Sail. Will the Traxus happen if I don't look there anymore? I don't think I want that today. Greenhouse could have the metal detector, maybe. I'm gonna take Gymnasium. Key card required. Oh no. Another key card. I guess we go to the drawing room at this point. Oh, already 47 stars. Wonder if we're gonna get to the 50 the next time I play. Do I wanna redraw? No, let's make Dan. Oh, secret. Did I take the secret passage? Okay, I did. I want to make a green room because I think the metal detector is gonna be in a green room, if in any room. Yeah, cloister. Let's take that. Is there... No, I cannot see a metal detector, too bad. But more gems, oh my god. I don't know if I have had this many gems before. Cannot go in there. Let's go in here, though. Ooh, armory. Wanna have that. If we get the axe, it would be great. Wait. Oh, actually, Maybe... Ooh. Let's go. Let's see if I can explode the dynamite with that one. Yeah, let's make the locker room. Oh no. Okay, we're going back to the pool. I should have taken a closer look at that room though. I feel like there have been like keys and such in there. I feel like I also should experiment with the chest things a bit more. Maybe I should try to change that. I'm afraid that we're gonna get stuck soon if we're gonna draw more of those security doors, but I guess it's okay because I got the thing that I wanted to have. But yeah, let's see how far we can go. Showroom. Should I buy that? I think I do. Maybe I get the lunar pendant. I do get the lunar pendant. Oh, this would be also nice, but I don't have money for... Should I take the... Do I have that good items? I think I'm gonna take that. Oh, I could have afforded the... one of the... that... was 30 coins. Oh no. We're getting ourselves stuck in here. Doesn't matter that much though. Do I wanna... I guess I wanna trade trial. I wanna have... Yeah, conference room. Let's go. 2 ways to go. Let's go in here first. Should I actually make... Yeah, see, let's make the secret garden in here. Okay. Break room. Might be really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna take the break room. Okay, let's see what new madness we have in here. 3. Is this also 20? No. 3. So 20. Oh no, it's minus this time. So 20 minus 6.6 minus 3.3. 10? Okay, 0.00 times 0.33 times 6, that's 2 minus 2 0 squared is 0 plus 1. Okay. Oh, those are getting nasty. Anything more in here? Guess we can pull the lever. Why not? Tableless. Oh, I got silver key. But I'm not gonna use that in here, of course not. We don't need the metal detector anymore, but I guess I'm just greedy at this point and want to get some items. Okay, there. In the gymnasium? Okay, am I gonna miss anything in here? Was the attic? Oh, okay, I was gonna miss it. Change the ending, too political. I don't really appreciate the literature. Should I... Let's see, treasure map again. Yeah, it's the 5th rank, so gymnasium. If I go back there, I could buy something. Oh my gosh. From the showroom. And then I might be able to craft a bit easier. Oh, here we go. Will we get money or diamonds? We have gotten diamonds quite many times. Okay. Well, if we're getting the freezer, we're absolutely gonna use that. We cannot afford anything in here. Oh my god. Should I take the weight room with my night sealed? Let's use our shield and take the weight room. Here we go. I don't want to see the crafting studio. We got no new floor plans. November 7th is day 1. Should we just try November 7th in here? Damn. I guess not. I have no idea. Why are the codes so hard? To figure out. And what does this have anything to do with anything? Candlesticks. There's nothing on those papers. No. These kinds of things I haven't done yet. Those are Aryan words. But these are quite cruel things. If I need to figure those kinds of things. Dead end is major key. Why do we get C from that end? Dead end. I don't understand. Is it in the case like the sign puzzle? I hadn't seen the... This is the computer terminal thing. Suspect is a key. But yeah, I was saying maybe I'm missing some part of the puzzle of this one, like it was in the case of the metro map. So yeah, I don't know. That's rough. I'm just gonna keep doing my things, I suppose. Guess silver key would be good in here. Do I have these rooms? Mechanical rooms. Doesn't seem so, so this is not good. I'm gonna make aquariums just for fancies. 48. Close to the 50 stars. Let's go down here first. Freezer would be so nice. Let's try to get some rare rooms. Pebbles. Not the pebbles. Well, this run is closing to an end. Thinking dining room, we get more steps and we can go further. Showroom. Oh, so many steps. We can go back and forth if we feel like we want to. Come on, give me the freezer. I have nothing to do in office. I'm just counting on that I will get the freezer. Gems are not in this box. The blue box is true. The gems are in this box. I don't wanna even think about this. Here we go. My intuition is correct once again. Give me some tomorrow room. Nothing in here. Okay. Time to redraw. Give me the freezer. Like, I don't have vault key. I could buy something fancy, but... Oh, okay. Well... We can get further from veranda. So, we might get the freezer from there. Turnip. Alright, alright. More gems. Please, give me the freezer. I wanna... spare my gems. Come on, give me the freezer. Oh, okay. I guess so. Well, do I need any item? Let's just go and admire our trophy. We don't even need to pick this up, but... Oh, here we go. Our academic trophy is in there. In there. Oh, that's so beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still missing so many, but that's okay. Okay, now we need to go back and see if we can blow up the dynamite. To be honest, I feel like this is not gonna work. Oh, we can build in here. This will not work in here. Okay, come on. Freezer, freezer. No. Okay, doesn't really matter. Let's just make sure that he has nothing more to tell us. Alzara. Great Alzara. So, how do we get back to conference room? Showroom. We don't have money for anything. Here we go. Drawing room. So I need... No, not in here. Need to get outside. Oh, got the battery back as well. That was my second theory, so now I can test both of them. What was the note in here? Wait. Yeah, we can go this way. So is my theory gonna be totally off? I'm not gonna be able to... blow up the dynamite, right? But why would it be there? I need to be able to do something with it. Like, this is the most logical thing to do. Come on, I wish that I'm right. Come on. Oh my god, I was right! Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. A lot of coins. Christopher, here's the rest of your share. 40 gold from the moonshine shipment we made last week. This may be the last batch for quite some time, as I feel it is no longer worth the risk, especially given Anna's continually increasing suspicion. But I do need to ask another small favor of you. Next week, when you take the Baron to town, if you can fabricate some excuse to delay your return by an hour or two, I would be much beholden to you, Denny. Oh my, so isn't that the person who got fired? Wait, do I have... Oh, I cannot use my upgrade disc, right? Oh no, but I guess it's gonna be waiting for me in here the next time I draft this. Yeah, then he asked, needed Burn to be away so he could get to the room, so they were making booze in here. Well, that's funny. Hehe, I was right. Oh, and this is actually... What do I wanna keep? Because I can... Oh, but I could go to the showroom and buy something good, and then I could like trade everything useless in here. So I wanna go to the showroom and I wanna keep... I guess I wanna keep whatever I buy from there, but can I buy two things or... Okay, well, at least I think we can like trade all these stupid things. No. Shovel. Do I also... I think I wanna open the antechamber. And take another visit to that room. Maybe there's gonna be something. Do I need torch for anything? I'm gonna keep those just because... Oh, I could have dig something up in here. Well, that's okay. Uh, yeah, I wanna keep those because if I go down there, maybe there's some things I can light with torch. Cannot light this. No. Should I go back to their hiding place with my torch? Did I take a look if there's anything I can light in there? That's what I'm wondering. Nothing I can light in here. Don't think so. Can light fuse boxes, but what are fuse boxes? Like, is this fuse box? No. Have I seen any fuse boxes in this game? Not sure. Consult those. I don't wanna. Was this the? This was the Kororika. Did I have any idea for this? I thought it would be academic. No, actually, I wanna try these because if I think that this has... Wait, do I have the color for this? Yeah, I think the color for this is green. Dirigibles. And windy or rainy. So this would be... What industrial? Agricultural. We haven't used agricultural. Metropolitan. Oh no. Oh, okay, yeah. Academic, no. Rainy. Stormy, no. Heat. Snow. I think windy. Dirigibles. And green. Actually, if this is green, it might be agricultural, I think. But I'm gonna try this out. Let's try agricultural, because if they have greenhouses, it would make sense that they are agricultural. No. Metropolitan. What about Metropolitan? No. I don't think academic, I don't... Industrial... Spiritual has been used, like, some of those might be like... Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I wish I had some other of these. I think this might gotta be academic. I think the weather here would be normal. We think that Morache has ships. Orange. Horseback. Not horseback. Probably not this one. Yeah. I'm gonna let it be. That is open, okay. So, how expensive were the things in the showroom? Alright, I kinda wanna see if I can do something with the torch in here. Just a quick visit. Let's skip the scene. So this must be like an old train station. Cannot read the book. They got some heavy weaponry in here. We seek what's in the shade of truth. Where's the train coming? Do I just need to come here first thing in the morning and start waiting? I don't think there's anything I can use my torch for. I just wonder if I wanna keep one of these items. Because I'm not sure if I can buy two of the items from there. Morning Star self-igniting torch. think I wanna keep Morningstar. Wait. Let's see. Tomorrow morning gain 1. Okay, so tomorrow we will have... yeah, I'm gonna trade the torch. I'd rather have Morningstar. My god, so many gems. This is madness. Wish I could have waited with the one room. Because now I got also dice. So I might have gotten the freezer if I used all my dice, but now it's too late. Well, that's okay. Now I just go to the showroom and I guess I'm gonna go to the room 46 and see if there's anything that I can understand better. Now that I have wait. Studied some stuff. Okay, so can we get... yeah, ornate compass. I think ornate compass. While drafting you may rotate the first 3 floor plans. That's like... I wanna have that. Great. Great, great. I don't want to pick that up. I don't want to have that. 6th in the station left by one of your own. So that's the last one I found. 5th key is held by a king on his throne. That one I haven't found. And this is the note. From the... oh, I didn't realize there was my symbol in here. Sinclair. Here we got all of these. Epson. But yeah, I don't know this one yet. I think, well, he left from here. Then I think he went to Eracha. Then he came back home. That's like the last one. But like, let's just like guess. Maybe this was the last one. Would make sense if he went to Nuance. Then maybe to Verra. No. Kororika 5th, Verra 4th, and 6th. Yeah. Not that easy. Gotta find the... gotta get the postcards. Okay, break room. So I will have the keycard. tomorrow. Let's go. Let's finally call it a day. This has been way too long episode. But next day we are set up and what's the plan for the next way? That's a very good question. Well, you'll have to wait for the next time. Even I don't know. But thanks for watching this one and see you in the next one. Bye bye.